My name is Carrie Taylor, and I just had a wonderful experience with Mother Love on the Mother Love Show. It was awesome. I love her, and she invited me back. Get that? That's awesome, right? Right. So listen to her show on latalkradio.com. So you can listen to her every day. She goes all over the world. Trust me, it's a great, amazing experience, and she's an amazing woman. Love her to death. Now, to tell you about myself and how you can get in contact with me, you can go to www.carriertaylor.com. You can go to ReverbNation.com/Carrie Taylor. Or you can go get my music on cdbaby.com and on iTunes. Okay? So, friend me on Facebook too. That's www.facebook.com/Carrie.R.Taylor. Okay? Love you guys, and thank you again for this wonderful experience.